If you can see it in your mind that you are already with the girl of your dreams, then this imaginal act will get outpictured into your visible world. You will actually get the girl of your dreams in your physical reality. But you need to feel the feelings of this imagination. You need to feel the reality, the joy, the sense of gratitude, sense of victory, sense of thrill from this imaginal act. Or else it will not get outpictured. And this stems from understanding a very simple spiritual principle that Neville Goddard says. He says, feeling is the secret of attracting the life that you desire. And I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was not allowed to game anyone, I had to stay within the confines of my own home. And then I started to develop anxiety and panic attacks. To heal these unknowing mental health issues, I decided to turn inwards. I started to meditate. I started to study spirituality and consciousness. And that's when I found out that yogis have always called our visible reality as Maya. The physical, visible reality that you can perceive through your five senses is Maya. Maya means illusion, a magical lie. It is not real. Because when you can upgrade your state of consciousness through feeling positive, elevated feelings like joy, gratitude, empowerment, then suddenly your life circumstances will magically shift. Right now, if you're facing some terrible situations in your life, some circumstance in your life that do not please you, then you can get rid of these terrible circumstances simply by upgrading your state of consciousness. So, in this video, you are going to learn how to telepathically get the girl of your dream through feeling the imagination. If you can master this technique, then you do not have to rely on dating tips, psychology techniques, outer game tactics taught by these weird, creepy dating gurus and pickup coaches. These people do not understand that their reality is created by their own mind. They think their pickup lines or their openers, their funny stories, their nags are helping them attract the girl. But they do not understand that they have unconsciously programmed their subconscious mind through feelings in order to attract the girl in their visible world. So, the first thing that you must do in order to feel the feelings of this imagination is get into a receptive attitude of mind through Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is a process where you use your attention and guide it through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. This is when your breathing rate starts to slow down when you do Yoga Nidra correctly. When your breathing rate starts to slow down, your brain waves start to slow down as well. Right now, your brain is producing beta brain waves. But when you do Yoga Nidra correctly, your brain will be producing these slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves. Now, the door towards your subconscious mind is open. Now, you can feel the feelings of your imagination if you utilize your attention and imagination properly. So the next step is creating an imaginal act in your own mind. And this imaginal act should signify that you are already with the girl that you desire. And you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act. What does that mean? What I mean by that is you must be able to see the girl that you want. You must be able to touch her. You must be able to hear this girl compliment to you by saying things like, "Oh my God, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky to be with a guy like you." You must be able to smell the perfume of this girl. Imagine some perfume, beautiful perfume is coming off her body. Imagine that you're touching her in the places that you want to touch. Provide the sensory vividness. When you can provide all the sensory vividness in this imaginal act, your brain starts to believe that all these wonderful things are actually happening to you in real time. Now, if you can place your attention and mentally rehearse this imaginal act over and over again, you are going to feel the feelings of joy or gratitude or victory or satisfaction. So, Provide the sensory vividness and mentally rehearse this imagination to feel the feelings. Only then this imaginal act is going to get outpictured into your visible world. Only then you're going to get telepathically connected to the girl that you desire, and she will actually start to notice you. She will start to compliment you. She will start to fall in love with you in your visible three-dimensional world. However, you must be able to place your attention on this imagination, but this is difficult because a normal human being's attention is cooked. Your attention has a very monkey like nature. It likes to go to one past traumatic event, or it starts to anticipate the worst future possible for you. Maybe you start to imagine, what if this girl rejects me or slap me in the face? But if you are able to discipline your attention and place it on this imagination where she is already with you, you're already holding her in your arms, you're already kissing her, she's already complimenting you, then you are going to feel the feelings of joy or satisfaction. So I want you to do this imaginal meditative process for 30 days straight before falling asleep, because I want you to train your imagination. Provide all the sensory vividness. A normal human being cannot visualize strongly. A normal human being cannot place his attention on the desired imagination and mentally rehearse it. Do that for 30 days. Train your attention faculty. A normal human being even cannot feel the positive feelings for a long period of time. However, if you're able to feel and sustain these elevated positive feelings of joy, gratitude for a long period of time, and you fall asleep by feeling all these positive, wonderful feelings, then you're going to impress this imagination, these feelings into your subconscious mind. And once the subconscious mind takes this imagination plus feeling, your subconscious mind is going to bend your physical reality. It is going to interact with every atom of your physical reality until your visualization starts to materialize. Girls in your visible world will start to lose free will, and they will start to fall in love with you. Situations and people around you will start to lose free will, and you will be moved, you will be compelled to go into places, to fall into situations where these visualization will start to materialize in your existence. You will be compelled to just utter the right kinds of words and exhibit the right kinds of body language, simply because your subconscious mind has been impressed with this wonderful imagination and feeling. You're not doing anything. Please remove your ego out of it. It's all your subconscious mind. Once you land this program in your subconscious mind, you lose free will. The girls lose free will. You'll be compelled to unite with each other. So please feel the feelings of your imagination, and you do not have to worry about what words to say, what the outer game tactics are. So if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a solid inner game through imagination, attention, feelings, and all these steps of meditation, then there's a link in the description box. There's a Gmail, there's a WhatsApp. Message me and we will get started right away. You do not have to worry about countless pickup tactics and outer game techniques and dating gurus and psychology coaches if you just understand the principle that feeling is the secret of attracting the life of your dreams. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.